Hello students, good morning. This is Vinayak here. So we'll start with the next new chapter, that is chapter number 3, more in Excel. So these are the topics what we are going to cover in this chapter. That is sorting data, filtering data, an advanced filter, conditional formatting, charts, printing, worksheets. So we'll see now all these topics one by one in detail. So I hope everyone knows how to open the Excel sheet. For that I'll show you how to open the Excel sheet. Click on start button, then search for Microsoft Office, then search for Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So this is the Excel sheet open. So before now I have already typed the data what we require. Okay, see on page number 24 we have this table data already typed, so I have already typed it. So what is sorting data? Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order for easy analysis. In both the cases, Excel first sorts number, then letters, followed by the blank cells. So we'll see now how to sort the data. So here we have the data of a cricket players. So I hope everybody knows or familiar with these players, these cricket players. All the famous cricket players are there. Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni. Yeah. So we'll see now how to sort the data. So to first sort the data, first you need to select the data. So select the data including the heads, that is name of the player, highest score, average, then each player how much he has done, the hundreds and 50s. Okay, so I have selected the data now. So when you select data, click on the data tab. See here above on the ribbon, the data tab you need to click. Then click on sort in the sort and filter group. Click on sort. So here a new window is open. So now we need to sort the data. So how, by what you want to sort? So we'll sort by the who has scored highest. So here this data is jumbled. Who has scored highest we don't. We need to find out. So here we will select highest score. Then here in the order need to select from largest to smallest. Okay, then click on OK. See here now highest score. Who has scored highest score? Virendra Sehwag 219. Then next is 200, 183. So automatically the data is sorted. Same way if you want, again click on sort. Now highest score only let it be. Then we'll make it from smallest to largest, that is descending order. Then click on OK. See now from highest score, from lowest to highest, the list. So however you want you can select. So for example if you take again click on sort, we'll take here name of the players. Then name of the players is text. Okay, characters are there. So here it is giving you A to Z or Z to A, that is it will arrange alphabetical order, the name wise. So we'll click A to Z. Okay, see first comes C. It is arranged in what alphabetical order. Okay, so understood everyone how to sort the data? Good. So we'll see now next with filtering data. So for filtering data we have another table that I have already typed here in the sheet 2. Okay, so I will give the borders for that. Okay, so here we have the data of Chennai Super Kings team players. So now how to sort the data? Means for example you want only the list of Indian team players. So select the table, then again click on data, then click here on filter in the sort and filter group. So here you get the filter is applied to the columns. So here click here. So whoever one you want, only those players if you want you can click, otherwise country wise. See here, only now select all, everybody is selected. I'll deselect everyone and I'll click only India and I'll click OK. See, only the players names of India will be displayed. Same wise I'll click on Australia and I'll click OK. See, Australian only 2 players are there. So we can filter the data as we require. For example, we make a list of students here in the school. So we all the students names are jumbled. So if you want to filter it class wise, so in the class grade column we can select only grade 3 or grade 7. Then only grade 7 students list will be displayed from that sheet. Okay. So next we'll see is that is advanced filter. What is advanced filter? One or more criterion, that is defining criteria such as more than or less than a number, then use advanced filter. So here is what advanced filter. So advanced filter, we click on the data tab, then here the advanced option, then we have to copy to another location, click here, we'll delete all this. In the list range, what, select the data what you want to copy to another location, then the criteria range, that is from A14 to A7, then copy where it will start. You can copy, you can locate anywhere else if you want to copy it on the another location, then click on OK. The same table is copied down here. Then next we have is conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? MS Excel gives you an advanced formatting feature known as conditional formatting. This feature enables you to apply formatting to only those cells in the worksheet which satisfy a particular condition. So we have the steps to apply this conditional formatting. So select the, so first what we'll do, we'll select the entire table of the players, then we'll go on the home tab. Here we have conditional formatting, then you can apply. See here you have the options. So whichever you want you can highlight these cells, what greater than, so greater than 109. So whoever has scored 10 above 109 those players names are highlighted. So conditional format, highlight less than 100. So less than 100, whoever the players, those numbers of the columns, those all will be highlighted. So you can format it as you required. So whichever the options are available, see here. So different colors, icons you can set. So next we have is charts. So what is charts? For example, you might be having in mathematics the bar graph, pie chart. Okay, so almost everyone is familiar with those charts. So what is a chart? A chart is a pictorial form of data. Chart makes any data easy to understand, attractive and presentable. So we can compare with the data what we have. So we have different types of charts. So we'll see the list of chart, that is column chart, line, pie chart, bar chart, area, then scattered graphs we have. Okay, so different types of charts which are available. I hope everyone is having the textbook, can go through it, the list. Okay, we'll see now how to insert the chart. So we'll select this table. Okay, then next you have is in the insert tab, here you have the group called charts. So here if you click, you can extend the group. You have different types of charts. See here, column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar graph, area, scattered, stock, surface, donut, bubble. So different types of other, whichever you want you can select. So we'll take now for example plain column chart, first one, plain one, and click on OK. See here, the chart is displayed. See, so how highest score, blue color is highest score, then red color is average score. So how, what is the average score of individual players? So the bar graph or the chart is displayed. So you can select in the charts column, different types of charts are available, whichever you want you can select them. The next we have is printing the worksheets. Now you want to print, how to print it? So in the office button, click here on the office button, then click on print. Here if you want, print preview is there. See here, now chart I have selected. See here, select the chart. Preview. Here's this is the shortcut for print preview. So here everything, the data, 2 times table I have copied, and the chart. So everything is displayed here in the sheet, that how it is printed. Then you can click on print. You can select the printer here. Now the printer is not connected to this PC. So the printer, when you connect, it will show the display the name of that printer. Then select the printer name. Then click on OK. Okay. Okay. I hope everyone has understood all the topics. Okay. Thank you.